Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable auto mix on Apple Music in iOS 26. If you're using an iPhone and you have iOS 26, so let's see how can you enable auto mix on your Apple Music. If you have Apple Music app, and here simply go for library, and from here you can easily use auto mix in your playlist, but you just have to enable a simple settings. So open up your settings app. In settings, scroll to end and look for apps section. Tap on that, and here you have to look for music app. Simply tap on your music app and then scroll down and you'll get song transitions. Tap on that, and from here you have to enable that toggle. Once you have enabled, if you have any playlist in your Apple Music, so you will get the auto mix option. You have to select auto mix option, and once you have selected, you can easily use auto mix on your Apple Music in iOS 26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.